Good evening, Mark here from Mark's Garage, back with another video in the garage today. I'm going to do an unboxing video today. As you can see, you got some parts in from Italy, from Brembo. These parts are going on Franscesca 2018 Panigale V4-S. So, I ordered these parts back in March, if you believe it or not, and issues with the war in Ukraine, the Russian invasion of Ukraine, COVID, just the general supply chain issues. These things were delayed and actually just showed up today in July. So Omnia Racing is where I got these from. And right now, if you didn't know it, Brembo is experiencing a huge backlog on their orders. They're actually producing parts to order, these more expensive parts, producing them to order. So basically, you get your order in, get your spot reserved, and when they crank up the production line, you'll finally get your parts. So without any more ado, these are the GP4-MS billet aluminum monobloc nickel-plated calipers. Pretty similar to the Stylema, but just a top tier, top shelf, top street calipers that Brembo makes. Like I said, they are a billet, one-piece monobloc construction with nickel plating. Go ahead and open them up. Pretty standard stuff for Brembo here. You get your information packet with your heat temperature decals that no one usually puts on. Get your Brembo decals and your black steel banjo bolts that no one usually puts on as well too. And some brass crush washers. Okay, I think I also have a authentication card in there as well too. Brembo started doing that. And here they are in all their glory. Again, these are the Brembo GP4-MS. 100 millimeter spacing, billet monobloc nickel plated calipers. These come with pads already installed in them. New pads. Just a beautiful caliper. You can swap these fittings around. So if you want the bleeder valve on the inside, like what I'm gonna do with these to match the OEM configuration, and then put the banjo fitting on the external portion of the caliper. That's what I'm gonna do. These things are just beautiful. So let me get a look at that. Close and tight. Nice machining. Beautiful construction. These are gonna go awesome. So as you know, Franscesca is still running the stock master cylinders for now, which these will work fine with the stock master cylinder as their specs are pretty similar to the Stylema calipers. But of course, down the road, I'm going to upgrade those as well too. And you can pretty much probably bet on it that I'm not going to be throwing replacement cast aluminum master cylinders on it. So Corsa-Cordas are nice, RCS Corsa-Corda. But I think Franscesca is a little more deserving of something a little bit higher end, maybe of the billet variety. So stay tuned for the install video when I get these on the bike and get them installed and give you my thoughts on them. Have a great night. If you haven't already, like, click, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Doing RC51, ZX10, and Ducati Panigale V4-S videos pretty regularly on my channel. Like a comment, leave a suggestion. Have a good night. Mark, you're out.